This is Sonia Khanna and you are watching Learn with Motivation. In this video, we will discuss about computer software and its type. Student, as you know, a computer is a machine that possesses no intelligence of its own. Hardware alone cannot perform any function. It has to be given instruction. A set of instructions given to the computer to perform a particular task is called a computer program. A collection of computer programs are called software. Software can be classified into following category: system software and application software. System software. The system software is required to control the overall operation of computer system. Without it, a computer cannot work. So, the system software is like a manager of a computer system. System software can be classified into following category: operating system, language processor, utility software. Operating system. An operating system is act as a bridge between the user and the hardware and enable them to work together. Operating system prepares the computer for you to work and run application software. Windows 7, Windows 10, MS-DOS, Linux are the example of operating system. Function of an operating system. The operating system control, process and approves everything that happens on the computer. The basic functions of an operating system are device management, memory management, running the softwares, file management, process management. All the devices input or output which attach to the computer system managed by the operating system. Whenever you save any data into the computer, it's saved into the computer memory and it is managed by operating system. Computer running properly, any application running properly is looking by operating system. All the file managed into the computer is managed by operating system, and the process of all internal and external part is managed by operating system. Language processor. Student, as you know that computer never understand English and Hindi language, it understand only the binary language. Software is created by writing program in a computer language. There are many languages such as C, C++, Java. The computer written in these language cannot be understood by a computer. A language processor, for example, compiler, interpreter, assembler, is very important software as it translate or convert a computer program in a computer language into the machine language form so that it can be understood by a computer. Utility software. Utility software is the software which help you in keeping the computer parts in a proper working condition. They also make our computer work fast. Disk cleanup, antivirus software, backup utility, etc. are the example of utility software. Application software. An application software help us to perform the specific task or run specific application on a computer. For example, TuxPaint, WordPad, MS Paint, MS Office 2010. These are the application software. Application software can be classified into given categories: general purpose application software and a specific purpose application software. General purpose application software, for example, if you wanted to do a document work for example letter, report, stories, you have to use MS Word and MS Pad. That is called word processing software. Electronic spreadsheet software, if you wanted to do the calculation and display the sums in a row and column, or you wanted to analyze the data, you have to use MS Excel and Lotus 123 type of software. Presentation software, for example, MS PowerPoint, database management software, DBMS, MS Access, Fox Pro are the example of database management system. Desktop publishing software, for example, Photoshop, PageMaker, CorelDRAW. These software are used to create and design the layout of books and journals, brochure, etc. Graphic software for all the drawing and working with image software, for example, Paint. Multimedia software, all the software which we used for animation, text, sound, etc. For game software, window media player is the example of that. Specific application software, it is developed keeping in mind the requirement of an organization or an individual. Example, banking software, reservation system at the railway station. Now, review the topic. Software can be classified into two categories, that is system software and application software. Further, system software classified into three categories: operating system, language processor, and utility software. And application classified into two categories: general purpose application software and specific application software. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you.